Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, November 30th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So what's happening today? And the answer is a lot. First and foremost, it's the last day of the trading month. Up about 10% so far for the quarter, heading into the last month of the fourth quarter. Bulls would certainly love to finish the year on a high note. But there's a lot coming our way this week and over the next couple of weeks. Today, there's two big things. You have the beige book at 2 p.m., right? The forecast of economic conditions. We have numbers out at 9:45 and 10, but the biggest one is going to be Powell. Right smack in the middle of the day, 1:30. I think it's an hour long, plus some questions and Q&A. So unfortunately, I have a feeling this market might muddle around until then. It's horrible how we have to be kept in a holding pattern all the time when these Fed speakers and numbers are due out. This stuff should all be done pre-market. We have a very wide overnight POC in ES. I am in twos, but it's still wide. We had 17 wide yesterday. Look where we're trading. Right at yesterday's afternoon rally high. Same in SPY right now. Overnight highs pushed up towards yesterday's high, but did not get them. SPY right now is 396.95 as the overnight high, 394.83 as the overnight low right now. Look at triple Qs, pretty much a double distribution from last night 4 to 8 to this morning. And again, remember, they had a double distribution day yesterday. Right now, look where they're trading, right where it would fill, and they still have their double distribution day from the day before, as does SPY and ES. Russell, remember, had an inside day, so when you come out of it, if you trade the righty, you go with it and monitor it for continuation or lack of. So game plan for this morning. Well, right now I have the daily down. So depending on where the overnight high is, if we ought to get a push up, you can certainly take a short against right now the overnight high, which is around 78 against yesterday's high. It's only about 4 points worth of heat to see if they defend the one-time framing down to sellers. Obviously, if we get the overnight high, we should get yesterday's high at some point and put the daily back into balance prior to Powell speaking, get the 17 wide point of control, and probably take back the trend day from the 28th. So that's if the buyers are able to get the overnight high. If not, and they front run that and the yesterday's high, then it might be a little longer. So that's a put play. As far as a call play, again, I'm not sure if there really is one here. Possibly if we get above the afternoon rally high and stay above value high. Now remember, if you take that short, it's going to be with at least overlapping a higher value, if not higher. So if you open above the afternoon rally high and we have a nice speed bump here at this wide overnight POC, you can take a long to go get the overnight high and yesterday's high at some point. Okay? Any acceptance back into value from yesterday. Remember, ES was 9 wide. SPY was only 8 wide. Look where the overnight low is, right above the 9 wide. So any acceptance back into here, you'll probably go and test the overnight low and the 9 wide. Again, these are all early plays. I'm not expecting a really huge move, unfortunately, prior to him speaking. And then just quickly on the chart. So look, for now, buyers defended the weekly low. After Powell, who knows? Like I said, 3 weekly lows close to each other, 3 weekly highs close to each other. That's not going to last. Between Powell today, all the other numbers, PCE tomorrow, non-farm payroll on Friday, something tells me we should be coming out of this little mess here one way or the other by Friday's close. And again, I will not be here on Friday. And then on the daily, again, we're down. If we take out yesterday's high, back to balance. We take out yesterday's low, we continue down. Right now, the 20 is at 390.29 before the opening. And the 200 is up at 404.29. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.